Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another episode of my Weight Loss Challenge. Episode 10 already. If this is your first time here, please go back to episode 1 so you can see the process and see the changes. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Now that that's out of the way, let's get going with episode 10 of my Weight Loss Challenge. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of fasting. For the last 9 weeks, I've been fasting 16 hours almost every day, and I've been doing a 24-hour fasting twice a week. There are so many benefits of fasting, and today I'm going to share with you. Also, today I'm going to share with you what a day is like when I do a 24-hour fasting. So stick around and let's get started. Good morning. Today is Saturday morning, and typically on Saturdays I go hiking around 5 in the morning. So right now it's 4. Before I take off, I'm gonna go ahead and make my green juice, very nutritious, because today I am going to do a 24-hour fast. This is something I do twice a week, and I'm going to show you how a day goes when I do a 24-hour fasting. So I'm going to do my green juice, take off to the mountain, have breakfast up there, and then from there we're gonna start doing a 24-hour fast. Alright, so this is what I put in my green juice. I put kale, celery, half a cucumber, and green apples. A little bit of coconut milk too. So all that goes in the blender. Healthy and delicious, and very nutritious too. Oh, that rhymed kind of. So I'm taking off to the mountain. See you from the top. Hello again. So I'm already up here at the top. Today I broke a personal record of 42 minutes and 29 seconds to make it up here. So that's pretty awesome. For me, that's super fast. I mean, that's the fastest I've ever done this mountain. So I'm super happy about that. So next, I'm going to have my breakfast, and then we're gonna officially start my 24-hour fasting. So let's eat breakfast and get the timer going. Alright, so that was a very yummy light breakfast. Another thing, if you're gonna do a 24-hour fast, no bench eating. So that means you're not gonna have like a lot of food just because you're not gonna eat for 24 hours. Like that defeats the purpose. So yeah, just a light meal. And yeah, it's 6:30 in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer now, and in the next 24 hours, only water. Alright, so stick around. Hey, what's up? So it's a little after 2 p.m. I've been fasting for almost 8 hours, and I'm feeling really good. It's a crazy day here at work. I was not able to check in with you guys in my break because I didn't have one, but it's okay. The day is almost over. I'm feeling super focused and energetic, and all I've been doing is drinking my water. So half a gallon gone. So yes, I will keep you guys updated how this 24-hour fast goes. Forgot to mention, I guess that's another benefit of fasting. You don't have to worry about packing food, so you save time on that. Alright, so I just got home from work. It's been about 12 and a half hours of fasting. I'm feeling still pretty good. However, this is where I get a little weak. Once I sit down and start relaxing, I start getting a little hungry or getting cravings. So let me show you what really works for me. Alright, carbonated water. So let's talk about the acceptable drinks that you can have when you're fasting that won't break your fast. Carbonated water, of course, is okay, and then the bubbles make me feel kind of like full, so it's really good. Also, you can drink tea, unsweetened of course, and you can also drink coffee as long as you don't put any cream or any sugar. Stevia is okay, but just a little bit. And if you drink decaf coffee, it's even better. I think that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drink my carbonated water, relax a little bit, get out of this clothes, and yeah, so I'll update you in a few hours. It's almost time to go to bed. But before I go to bed, I'm going to take a shot of this. My apple cider vinegar, yes. I didn't say it in the previous update, but apple cider vinegar is also okay to drink when you're fasting. And it has a lot of benefits, one of them being hunger suppressants. So yes, this is really good when you're fasting. I'm gonna go ahead and take my shot and then I'm gonna go to bed. So yeah. All right, here we go, cheers. Hate it, but love the benefits. So yeah, 15 hours and a half to go. Now I'm gonna go to sleep. See you in the morning. Good morning. Let me show you my little friend over here. His name is Emilio. Say hi, Emilio. All right, so it's Sunday morning. It's 5 a.m. I'm at 22 and a half hours fasting. Emilio, behave. And I feel really good. I am going to jump in the shower and get ready because today I have an adventure to go to. So after I shower, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my breakfast because probably I'm gonna go ahead and break my fast when I'm on the road. So yeah, it's been 22 and a half hours. Feel great. And yes, so let's get ready for adventure time. Yes, road trip time. Say hi, everyone. So yeah, it's over 24 hours. I'm able to eat now and I'm super excited. To break my fast, I'm going to have my avocado with my super mix. It has some cabbage, it has kale, carrots, and some other veggies. It's really good. So I'm gonna eat this with my bean chips. They have a lot of protein, 4 grams of 4 grams of protein, so that's really good. And for my dessert, I'm going to have my fruit. So that was a day fasting. Looks easy, right? But to be honest with you, it took a lot for me to get to this point. Fasting is not for everyone. This could be the best thing that happens to you, but it could also be the worst. So many things have to be going right for you to be able to pull this off. Your environment, your stress levels, genetics. If this is something you are interested in doing, make sure you do your research before you get into it. You shouldn't fast if you suffer from chronic fatigue. Or if you're taking certain medications, you should ask your doctor before you get into fasting. Also, if you suffer from diabetes, this can be very challenging or difficult to do. Or if you suffer from blood pressure, if you're a woman and you're nursing, I would focus on making sure the baby's getting the nutrients first and stay away from fasting. And if you're pregnant, fasting is a big no-no. If you're a younger person, a teenager, who is still in sports and going to school, I don't know if I would do fasting. If you're still growing, don't try this. So yeah guys, and not one thing is gonna work for everyone. I'm not a doctor, I'm not an expert. This is working for me, but it might not work for you. So do your research before you get into this. So now that this is out of the way, let's talk a little bit about the benefits of fasting. Fasting has really made a big change in my life. You will burn more fat. After the first 16 hours of fasting, your body is going to burn fat for energy. It's going to lower insulin levels, and it's going to boost your immune system. It's going to decrease inflammation and prevent you from getting sick. Fasting is going to speed up your recovery after a workout because it has amazing and powerful healing benefits. One of my favorite benefits of fasting is that it's going to keep you young because it has anti-aging effects in the body. You're also going to increase your energy levels because digestion takes a lot of your energy. So if you're fasting, you will have more energy. And these are just a few of many benefits of fasting. I really hope you found this video interesting and you learned something from it. If you have any additional questions about fasting or anything about my weight loss journey, go ahead and reach me on any of my social medias, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, or you can also send me an email. All my links are posted on the description box below. And this is how we come to the end of this episode. Before I go, I want to remind you, this is my 9th week on this challenge. Make sure you come back to my channel next week because you don't want to miss out. I'm going to do the final weigh-in and I will show you my before and after photos. So if you want to see the final outcome of this challenge, make sure to come back next week. So if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and click on the bell so you get a notification. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. I'm off to bed because tomorrow is going to be a very long day for me, but I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!